Oh, hi everybody. Who would like to go on a boat trip? Oh, you would? Come on then, jump on board. There's plenty of room for everybody. Now as we're out there, let's see what we can find on our trip. Are we ready? Pick up your oars and off we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Off we go again. Pick up your oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. It's very cold where he lives. Off we go again. Row, row, row your boat gently out to sea. If you see a mermaid, give her a kiss from me. Oh, let's stay at the sea. Off we go. Row, row, row your boat gently out to sea. If you see a big blue whale, invite him home for tea. But make sure he doesn't eat all your tea. Off we go. Row, row, row your boat gently across the lake. If you see a jellyfish, don't forget to shake. Ooh, shake those arms, shake those legs. Well done. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. A big roar. Roar. It's a bit scary. Row, row, row your boat gently through the swamp. If you see an elephant, don't forget to stomp, 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 stomp. Now we're going to rock, 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 rock your boat gently to and fro. Merrily, 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 into the ocean we go. Splash! Well, I hope you all enjoyed your trip.